You're doing a no food diet. Okay, we're gonna get going. So, this is Madison. I have no idea what goes on in the game other than a small description from Steam. Apparently, from my understanding, either the guy or the main character we play as died, fell asleep, something along those lines, but is possessed by some sort of demon named Madison, aka the name of the game. So, I have no idea what's going on. I have no clue. Should be a fun time.
Oh, oh my god. Oh, my head.
Okay.
Just answer me that!
I have to find the handle.
Find a handle? It looks like there's freaking handles right there.
What in the hell crossed your mind? What the fuck is happening here?
Oh, wait. Ooh, we got a letter. From cousin Romy. Okay. Okay. Apparently nothing to do there. Okay. Alright. What the?
Oh no. This can't be happening. God.
Okay. Great. Anything spooky on the television? Alright, what's it? Ah, good. Oh, okay. Nope, never mind. Well, we'll leave that on. Oh. What the hell? Whose closet's like this? Who leaves the lights on? Who pays electricity bill around this shit? Fuck.
Dad? Dad,
Okay.
please.
Okay.
Please talk to me. I don't understand what's going on.
It's locked.
Dad, stop. You're not making any sense.
Is that like a background or is that the sky? Bro, these are short ceilings or our character's really tall. Oh. Grab. Okay, grab it. Tab, it's in my inventory. Damn it. Same shit. Okay. Whatever, now we have a book. Nope, it's still locked. Okay, we have a sprint. What is rotate? Oh, okay, so on the controller it lets me. So what is the controls on? Oh, okay. There we go. I can spin it. Okay. So I can spin it. What does that do for me? Under a couch. Oh, what the hell? Really? I'm pretty sure that wasn't there until we started moving the TV. It's in the same exact position. But now this pops up. Okay. Doorknob. Nope, don't use it there. Okay. Here. Doorknob. Pull down. Hammer. Okay. Cool. Close that guy off. Down. I feel like I undo those nails, but oh, okay. Apparently we're not gonna deal with our dad. Hammer.
You are not my son!
Okay, yep, nope.
You are not my son.
Nope, get me out of there. Nope, nope, we're good. Nope. Up, let me. Why won't it let me turn?
What an idiot I was.
Well, why won't it let me turn? It won't let me turn, I'm stuck here.
Come on. Maybe I can get out through Grandpa's house.
Well, let me see what is going on to my left and my right. What the
I gotta get out of here.
I have a... Hey. That's what my dad told me. And then he left me. Can we just end the game here? Like... Kinda good. I was told I'm not his son. I don't need to go on any further than here. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Apparently, you know, we keep paper plates up on the wall for decorations. Oh. Okay. Lovely family we got there. At least
I need to find
that's
a
my
way
family.
out before Dad notices I'm here.
Okay, so who do we got here? She's ugly, so she's probably like the cousin. Got probably other cousin. There I am. That's my uncle. And yeah, that's the family photo from Thanksgiving like 2 years ago. More paper plates. That's locked. Fuck. Oh, I'm good. I don't know what the fuck that was. What the fuck is going on right now?
Wasn't there a door here?
I guess I go back down the hallway. The fuck is this thing? Is it like a couch? Is it a picnic table? Oh, it's a grandfather clock. Okay. Oh. Not like... Nope. Nope, nope. We're good. We're good. We're going back. We're done. I mean, I have a hammer, right? Be able to beat the crap out of someone? Picture. Why the hell is Corey Taylor there? Hello, Corey Taylor? Oh. Okay. Cockroaches.
Grandpa was just like Dad.
Oh yeah. The chair just keeps on spinning.
My birthday present? How did it get?
Oh, great, a camera. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? I'm not very smart, but 2 and 2 don't add up right now. What the f... Oh, that's rain, not the sky. Okay. What? Oh, the spooky grandfather clock. Ooh, so spooky. What? Yo, why are you hungry? I already know what we gotta do here, but wait, don't let me. Oh.
I should find a nail or something to hang it with.
Oh, of course, you know. First off, why the hell is there not a nail here? Obviously there was something hanging here before. What madman takes a plate off, or a picture, whatever was up here, and then takes a nail? And why the hell does this fake ass grandfather clock keep just popping up? Like, bro, we get it. You spooky. Oh. Oh, great. There's a nail. Yeah. This freaking fake ass grandfather clock just takes a nail. What? Yo, Grandpa, I was just joking about the grandfather clock. It's a pretty cool grandfather clock. No, I would definitely want that in your will. Also, why does our hammer have barbed wire on it? I guess it's not barbed wire, it's just wire in general. Still, I don't get it. Anyways. Okay, bye, Corey Taylor. Hi, Grandpa. Yep, okay. Do you think Grandpa's gonna be mad? I think I broke his favorite picture. Hello? May I take your order? Well, apparently they gave up. Oh, wait, here we go. What do we got here? Ah, key. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work here. Right? Code for that. I'm guessing we used on this. Yeah. Oh. Also, this guy is really slow about opening any doors.
What the hell has Dad been doing here?
Alright, 43 years old.
Dad said he was repairing Grandpa's house, but instead he's been investigating this woman? What is going on?
A cassette. Think number 1. Can't use a cassette. Oh, apparently that key opens this. I take or I store. Okay. We'll store the picture.
I should keep this.
Okay, apparently. Feel like we'll need the cassette. But... Oh, you have a little notebook.
My notebook? So Dad's the one who took it away from me.
Here? No, okay. Let off. What we got here?
Priest Thomas?
What's going on? What's our notebook? Interact.
I don't remember drawing any of these. Am I going insane?
Okay. I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. But obviously, this is a... Oh, I know what's going on here. This is a Full Metal Alchemist playthrough. We're trying to re-summon Mom. GG boys, we solved the code.
Fuck. This storm must have taken out the power. I think Grandpa had a generator in the basement.
What's going on here? What are they drinking up in this? Got energy? Allowance. Got a little fan. I think this is Mary.
Grandpa dedicated his whole life to clockmaking.
Oh. Pretty cool. Apparently we just leave it though. Whatever. There.
I gotta find a way to open this door if I want to get out of this house.
Bro, if that's the way out, why the hell don't you just kick it down? Concerned about breaking a door down? Yo, if I was in this situation, I'd be kicking down every door, breaking through windows, getting the hell out of here. But no, he's too concerned about keeping his grandpa's house intact. Up, 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 no, up, down, up, 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 up. Okay. That did something.
It smells awful. The pipes must be clogged.
I've never seen a do not use sign in a family household bathroom, but okay. Read. Right, 5 left. Kind of. Hey, Grandpa be going off his rocker taking the medicine.
Blue knees?
These is real. A doggy door. Yeah, but wasn't that a combination lock? Now we have the power back on. Right there. Let's see what the...
From the moment of first contact, it is already too late.
When a demon attaches itself to a human,
Demons?
it becomes a parasite of sorts. It feeds from the host until it devours every last part of their soul. In most instances, the demon's relentless objective is to get back to the world of the living. If you
What
want
is
to
this man
break
talking
that
about?
link, well, I'm afraid it's no simple matter. I could speak at length about various rituals and procedures, but by far the best way is to obey. Help the demon attain that which it seeks. Only then will the demon leave of its own accord. Usually they enter the earthly plane through certain objects that they use as conduits between worlds. Even if you rid yourself of that object later, the demon has made the contact it needs, and already walks among us. In the first stages of possession, the host human tends to withdraw from friends and family, becoming aggressive,
So Dad thinks
even violent. This is
that
the
I'm
result
possessed?
of the spiritual battle between the host and the entity, both vying for control over the mortal body. The symptoms that indicate that the possession is progressing are dizziness, nausea, and headaches. The latter of which can be so intense as to render the host unconscious for days. The dark entity manipulates its host with visual hallucinations and voices in the mind. Destroying the sanity of the host is for the purpose of making them
I can't believe Dad
malleable,
contacted this
compliant.
person.
This is how the demon fully exerts its insidious control. Oh, and before I forget, several cases of possession saw strange behavioral patterns in nearby insects, cockroaches in particular. My advice, steer clear of the insects.
Okay, I wasn't.
There's just no way. I can't be possessed. There must be a mistake. Those pictures, that leg, that arm, I didn't do it. Dad thinks it was me, but
What the heck?
my head. A door. A red door. What's happening to me?
Bro.
Is this what that man was talking about?
This guy had one
Can't
too many Mike's
be
Hard
happening
Lemonades.
to me.
Bro needs to chill out. Ain't university anymore. Open it.
Could
Red
it
door.
be the basement